Okay, now we do the Flex Medical test. I already connected the Excel sheet. As you can see here now in Nicelabel, we're having those three fields: batch ID, sheet, and ID. So now we're going to set up the label. Now we can define how many labels per design or per column should be printed. Okay, so we only want one for each column, right? For each field, we want to have one text object. Now it's actually already showing all the data, right? A, B, C, D. These are the ones now from the test sheet. All right. And there, it's already showing here on the label the three columns. All right. Now we can just drag and drop these files. This is the batch run. A is the run, and then that's the sheet. All right. So I'm just going to do it simple now, put it right in the middle. We've already set up the machine. Okay, and now we're pretty much good to go. Okay, now I generated the job file, and then I can send it to the printer, and there it will automatically show how many files it's going to create, how many print files. It's 1440, it's exactly the amount of columns. Here you see the three dynamic fields we have defined before. And then I can just start the machine. A1, A1, A, B1. Okay. We still have to adjust the sensor, the product sensor for these pouches, okay, because they're very reflective. Now we're going to do the B1s, B1s, C1, C1, now we're going to go to the D, D1, D1, D1. At 4, so E1. So now it's gonna go automatically and keeps printing until, okay, now actually we have already the input feeder is empty. You can just continue loading the input feeder on the fly during the operation. Yes, my colleague's gonna put some more pouches onto the machine right now. You don't have to press any button or anything. Just make sure they're all aligned properly in the input feeder. Then the machine's going to keep going. There we can actually see the latest print. Page 1, page 1. And there you can see on the display actually, it always has 70 jobs in the cage. Once it's going down to 60 or 64, it's jumping up to 67 again. So it's continuously loading the jobs all the way up to 1,400 pieces, okay? And there just to show you the positioning, it's right at the same spot. So what we did now is we just put a carton here and they're always going to fold on top of each other. We can put a little slide here, make sure they're aligned better, so you're just going to have a final stack in exactly the assortment how you send the print job at the end. Okay, thank you.